Okay, here go the post review for my trades today. I took two trades and both broke even. Um, so this morning we went up and then we so this morning we went up and then we come back down and took out that trend line liquidity that I was talking about earlier, but I didn't ever get a chance to get in because we just came straight down. So we came down. See, I hate this. It if you hit the previous day high or low, it disappears. But anyway, so it came down and took out some type of liquidity that was down here this morning and shot back up. Again, I didn't get in there because I don't like these V-shaped reversals. They scare me. I like reversals like this to come down, come back up, come back down, take out this low, and then go up like a W. I don't like V-shape. V-shape gets me in trouble. So I just watched all morning to about 11:30. On the 5 minute. Um, I took a trade on the 5 minute, but I wish I could show you the lower time frames. The reason I took the trade on the 5. So I wanted to wait to these um, fair value gaps inverse and then go break even when we get there. So what happened was I couldn't get in on this 5 minute until right here. Hold on, I don't think that's correct. Okay, I was on yesterday or Friday or something. I don't know. But anyway, so this is the same thing I used to talk about sometimes, the IB high and IB low. This is the first hour, 9:30 to 10:30. The high between 9:30 and 10:30. So this is the high between 9:30 and 10:30. And anytime we inside, 95% chance we're gonna hit one side. So this trade is called the draw on liquidity to the IB high. So since you anticipate that this is going to hit the IB high, we come here and see we enclosed this 5 minute, and I wanted to wait to get to the candle, so I entered right there. And I'm just trying, like I said, break even once I get there. But I got scared and moved to break even real fast. So what happened? I entered on this candle. I should have entered right here when this candle finished. I should have entered right there. But I end up, I don't know what I was doing. I got in late. I got in like right here. And I'm going to show you what happened. I got in like right here. All right. And we went up pretty good on, I got in like right here on this candle. And you can see we went up pretty good. And so once we went up to here, I got scared because it was a full blue candle when I got in to like here. And then I got scared. And I moved to break even. Because like I said, I like to move to break even pretty quick. So I moved to break even and look what happened. Since I didn't get in on time, if I'd have got in on time, almost as soon as this candle closed, this candle would have never come back and hit my stop loss. See, if I'd have got in right there, this candle didn't hit it, and it went on to make 2 on. Show you. Stop right there. Got in right there. I should have been getting in about right there. 2 on. All because I got in late and I moved my stop pretty quick. I mean, but the pretty quick moving stop pretty quick is double-edged sword. Sometimes good, sometimes bad, but I'd rather not have a loss. So I'd rather have a break even than a loss, because a lot of times it's gonna be a break even, and if you wouldn't have moved it, it would have ended up being a full stop out. So I'm happy with that. Um, that was that trade. So what happened? So once that took me out, I got to looking at the 1 minute and noticed that. So same concept. I got to looking at the 1 minute after I got, well, while I was thinking my price was going back to hit my break and I could see it going down. So I said I'm gonna try this 1 minute, because I didn't know if I should have waited on the 1 minute or the 5 minute. But anyway, this 1 minute right here. See, you don't have any fair value gaps to block you in between here and here. So once this candle closed right here, once this candle closed right here, right there, because we closed inside that candle, I got in. And again, so you can see this. Again, I got in and it went up pretty good. And don't you know it? What did I do? Because it went up pretty good, I said, shit, I'm going break even. I went to break even. Come back down, knocked me out, moved around a little bit, came back up, took out this IBI, and went way, I mean, I don't know how many all. This is the trade I should have been looking to get in from the start instead of the 5 minute, because the 5 minute you had to get a lot of points to get to all. But if I had just waited on this 1 minute, like I should have done, you waited on the 1 minute, put your stop right there. Three all right there. I mean, this is up here. I don't even know. That's probably like 5, 6 all. But I wasn't here for that long, so it don't matter. But anyway, that was my trades for the day. So I got two break evens. I'm happy with it, because I'm just learning to when to get in, when not to get in, and be patient and wait on these little trades. They don't be big trades. They just be the right time to get in, which is the biggest thing. So you just got to be patient and sit and make sure on your lower time frames that you're not showing any fair value gaps above if you're going long, and any below if you're going short. I'm gonna start recording my screen, my lower time frame. I record most of the screens, but I'm trying to keep these videos short, so I can't really. I'm just going over what I done on a blank chart. I'm really not showing my trades in and out. I think that just make the video even longer. So I'm trying to keep it under 10 minutes at least. But but I'm gonna start recording my lower time frame so I can go back and show you what it looked like when I entered it. Because if you look at the 1 minute, you don't have any fair value gaps. I don't care which time frame you look at. So that should have been. I shouldn't have moved my stop. I should have just said this is worth a chance to take, because I don't have anything in between here. So I think we're gonna go there. And if I just would have waited to move break in right there, I'd have had 2 all. Could have had 6 all. But that's it for today.